A good demonstration is an audiovisual presentation. It is not enough that the teacher tells. To be effective, his or her demonstration must be accompanied by some visuals. To plan and prepare adequately for a demonstration, we first determine our goals, the materials we need, our steps, and rehearse. In actual conduct of demonstration itself, we see to it that we: Number 1. Get and sustain the interest of our audience. Para makuha at mapanatili ang interest ng ating madla, ay pwede rin tayong magbahagi ng mga story na makakuha ng kanilang interest, magtanong ng mga kahulugan tungkol sa ating diniscuss. Number 2. Keep our demonstration simple, focused, and clear. Panatilihing nakatutok at malinaw ang demonstrasyon. Number 3. Do not hurry now, drag out the demonstration. Suriin ang pag-unawa at ang proseso. Number 4. Check for understanding in the process of demonstration. Huwag magmadali. Number 5. Conclude for understanding in the process of demonstration. Magtapos para sa pag-unawa sa proseso ng demonstrasyon. Number 6. Hand out written materials at the end of the demonstration. Kailangan may handout na nakasulat sa dulo ng demonstrasyon. We have strategies to engage your audience. Number 1. Stick your subject. Number 2. Make sure your presentation has flow. Number 3. Change is a way to grab attention. Number 4. Tell stories. And number 5, let your audience talk.